Across the past week, the heavy rain has been focused through the tropics, but just recently we've also had quite a few thunderstorms in New South Wales and also through central Australia. And so with that, Canberra was part of that. We had as much as 7 millimetres or so through the night into Sunday morning as multiple thunderstorms came on through. No massive totals with those thunderstorms, hence just 7 millimetres on the cards, but we will be seeing further storms along this trough down into New South Wales and also central Australia over the next couple of days as well. Through Queensland, heavy rain continuing, particularly for the far northern tropics, the North Tropical Coast rather, but also spreading into western parts of Queensland as well over coming days. As we move into the middle of next week, some of that tropical moisture will feed into this low pressure trough, and so we'll see extra showers and thunderstorms and some reasonably heavy totals, particularly eastern parts of Victoria, parts of Tasmania, which will help the fire threat, and then we'll see showers running along the New South Wales and Queensland coast as we continue to see some heavy rain up through the tropics as the monsoon lingers on. Here's our day-by-day most likely totals, and you can see we've got those showers and thunderstorms today along that trough and down into New South Wales and the ACT and then along the Great Dividing Range. No massive totals there, but some places might see over 10 millimetres or so. Heavy falls though for the northern tropics of Queensland, spreading into the Townsville area for today with heavy falls, and that will linger into tomorrow as well, where we'll see heavy rain into parts of the central Queensland as well. And there's a chance that the heavy rain will drift into western Queensland, depending on where that tropical low moves and how strong that system is. There's a fair bit of uncertainty around that, so no guarantees about how heavy that rain will be in that area, but we will see shower and thunderstorm activity picking up Wednesday into Thursday across the southeast. Some places might pick up 20 or 30 millimetres out of that event. We'll have to wait and see really exactly how heavy it is. Some of the models are reasonably light. Some, like the one we looked at just before, have some pretty decent totals. Then on the eastern seaboard, we'll see those showers picking up into Friday and Saturday. No major totals there, but we will see some substantial rain and definitely some cooling. Let's have a look at the totals for the week. So you can see eastern Victoria, maybe around 25 millimetres or so as an average out of that system, which is fairly helpful. But up in the far northern tropics of Queensland, that black shading there is indicating widespread falls above 400 millimetres, whilst red shading is above 150 millimetres, which includes Darwin over the next week. But in Queensland, we have a flood watch in place, and it's north of Ayr to Normanton, so cutting through the Cape York Peninsula, but it's south of Wapar, so not including the far north. And the greatest threat is anywhere north of that Cardwell on the east coast, because we've seen some pretty substantial rain there over the past couple of months.